So now you are going to learn the uses of had to in this video, and you are most welcome on my channel, The Passion of Learning English. Now let's know what's its identity and what's its structure. The identity of the had to, when with main verb पढ़ता था, at the place of पढ़ता था, पढ़ा, होता था, ना था. If these kind of the words are coming with main verbs in the last of the sentence, so we use had to. And now look at its structure, like its rule. The rule: subject, after subject had, then to, then verb first form, then object. Here there is no matter of the subject. Subject has been given, any kinds of the subject has been given, so we will use only had with it. Now let's see the first sentence. In the first sentence, मुझे पत्र लिखने पड़ते थे. So first we will take subject I with I had, and after had to, I had to. Now पढ़ते थे, so this is the identity of the had to. Means in this sentence we are talking about necessity or obligation. So such a sentence which talks about obligation, necessity or compulsion, so we use in the past had to word. Now after using the two words, we will write verb. I had to write patra. Means we are talking about many letters, so here letters word will come. I had to write letters. Now see the second sentence. आपको सुबह में खाना बनाना होता था. So banana, this is the verb, and in the last hota tha word is coming. So this sentence is showing the compulsions, that we were helpless to do it. Yeah, you were helpless to do it, like to cook the foods. So let's make this sentence. First take the subject. Subject is given you with you had, after had to, banana, make, and cook also. It's your choice. Any verb you can use. You had to make the food सुबह में, so in the morning. You had to cook, you had to make the food in the morning. Now look at the third sentence. The third sentence has been given. उसे सरकारी नौकरी छोड़नी पड़ी. उसे सरकारी नौकरी छोड़नी पड़ी. So this is the verb, and with verb पढ़ी word is coming. पढ़ा, पढ़े, पढ़े. If these words are coming, so this is giving the indication or demonstration that this sentence is having condition, necessity, compulsion. So there is no problems. You are going to use directly had to word. Now subject he with he had to, and after had to छोड़नी, leave. He had to leave. सरकारी नौकरी, गवर्नमेंट. जॉब या गवर्नमेंट सर्विस. He had to leave the government job or service. Now see the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence has been given. हमें कल आपसे बातचीत करनी थी. So in this sentence, पढ़ता था, पढ़ा, होता था, these words are not coming, but at the place of these words with verb नी, थी, ना था, if these words are coming, so also we are going to use had to word for making the sentence in the past. Now take the subject. Subject has been given we, after we had, and then to. After to we are going to use बातचीत करना. बातचीत, discuss. We had to discuss आपसे. To you, we had to discuss to you कल. Time has been given, so yesterday. So these are the translation of had to in the past sentences. I hope you have liked this video and you keep on watching my video and keep on learning your English. Thank you so much for watching this video.